So a blood work from Titan Medical could show you before a large amount of symptoms. It can see just a typical easy lack of energy, motivation, mental clarity. It could show you just some basic stuff before you start thinking there's something really wrong with me. But wouldn't it be okay to fix those things? And wouldn't you want your partner to be okay in that sense? It seems like that would be it's a weird statement, because it's like, I agree with you 100%. And I think Frank Grillo said it great. It's like, I've always believed in the fact of, if you're going to compete and stuff, don't. If you're going to compete against others and do something, I say don't. But if you're just out there and you're this 40, 50-year-old or whatever age, you're not functioning well and your body's not working well, it just gets you back to the normal level, or even a level that's a little better than normal, but still in the range that you can be your superhero self. And I would think that's what your partners would want. And I think that's what you would want for your individual self if you're out there and you're listening to this right now.
And guys know, right? Like, if you have low testosterone, you felt these symptoms, like, you kind of know what you're going through. They really don't know. And they might know when they have menopause or they have low testosterone, because they're going to have the same symptoms as females. Like I said, that's what I was kind of talking about. Like, it's the stereotypes and the judgmental people out there that just kind of get it wrong. But it is what it is. I mean, that's why I tell people, I'm like, listen, blood test. And if there was something wrong with, like, your cholesterol or your blood pressure, you would listen to a doctor to take those medications.
Be right on that medication. Instant.
Right? Instantly.
Not testosterone?
Instantly. But yeah, but that's the thing. Like, and this is crazy because our bodies naturally produce this. I just made a video about it, like a little clip that we were talking about on live, like anabolic steroids. I'm like, well, we all have anabolic steroids in our body, and no, we don't get it from an outside source. We get them from our body because it produces it, and that's testosterone. And that's one anabolic steroid. It is what it is. So, I think that getting back to a natural, healthy, optimal level and seeing this through a blood test is really the way to go.